Hey guys, what's happening? How to do a face or body tracking in a video in CapCut. So go ahead and open up your project in CapCut. Alright, make sure to record a video showing your face and body in order for this to work out. Now, select any part of this video, right, that you recorded. And you're gonna find the tools at the bottom. Swipe left to find camera tracking. Right, is it? Yeah, right here. Go ahead, and then you're gonna see the camera tracking at the bottom right. And now you're gonna be able to track face, body, hands, or if you want a custom, or if you want to add something other than face, hands, and body, you can just go ahead and do it on your own. And then just simply hit track and wait for a few moments, and you're gonna be able to see the final result. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.